Oh, it's recording, okay. I got an unboxing video for you. Alrighty, so what's in the box? Off-road series. Ooh! Looks like I got myself an off-road car. Alright, let's have a look inside the box. It's pretty well beaten up. Come all the way from China, I guess. It's come all the way from... I don't know. Let's see, I chose a blue one. So let's have a look. Alrighty. Instructions. Canopy. Alrighty, so there's the truck itself. Basic little controller. Nothing too great. Lots of little accessories and some stickers. Charger. Now let's have a look at the truck. Alright, so there it is. You got a battery that goes in the back there. Let's have a look underneath. Looks good. Alrighty, so yeah, this is the C24. Let's put a battery in it and see how it goes.
Stop.
Yep.